You know what the fuck going on?
Period. Celebrity stylist.
Period. I said, bitch, you belong to the streets. Come on with your
Period.
She belongs to the streets.
Talking about some goddamn fries, bitch. I didn't even get no hot dogs and fries. You got a hot dog and fry. You better kiss my ass.
Get the word about your own motherfucking business and go back to work, bitch.
We're gonna ignore this frontal because this frontal is crunchy. All right, ain't nothing I can do about it. I try to do everything, revive it. Just act like you don't see it throughout this whole video. Just act like you do not see my crunch, bitch. Okay, but anyway, I'm really excited because today we are going to my favorite nail tech, Megan's favorite nail tech, my girl Jessica Simone. If you've seen Megan's nail anytime recently, it's October 8th today. My sis did that, which is Jessica, and her nail page is Krylx, and she's like bomb. She sells out of all her tips, all types of stuff, like all her products, everything she uses is hers, and she sells out of them. So sis is doing amazing. I'm so proud of Jess. She just got her new shop as well. She doing big things. She's about to be in LA, okay? With this hair color, you honestly will look dusty as hell if you don't put your makeup on. If you have this ash blonde hair, you need to at least do your brows and lashes because you're gonna look real dusty if you just barefaced out here. I'm about to show you, what am I to show you? Oh, the long tips. We're gonna do the double tips. I did the double tips last time and I fell in love. I guess this is kind of like a get ready with me complete. Get ready with me because, baby, nails is a part of me, definitely. Makeup looks the fuck crazy. But yeah, we're about to head straight to Jess and put in my GPS. I'm so excited. So excited.
So excited.
Love how she do my nails. Today we got some exclusive coming to you. How you not listening to Summer Walker on repeat? I really want to know. It's funny because Jess actually gave me this this phone case when I met her. My XS Max is cracked on the front and the back, and she was like, here child. She literally took off her phone case. Was like, I got another one at home, you need to put this on because I kept dropping it. And she didn't even know me like that. I was like, okay, thanks sis. I'm gonna get her one of these. It says Wigs by S. You can't see it, but it's a pop socket. I'm gonna get her one for her brand because I love my sis brand. Again, this is Megan the Stallion's nail tech. You can't tell me anything right now at all. I have a celebrity nail tech, period. Do you got a celebrity nail tech? I'm pretty sure you don't. I'm pretty sure you still going to the Chinese people that know what they doing when your nails be popping the fuck off because they need your business. They need you to come back. I ain't know this shit until Jess, she told me this, but that shit, it makes all the sense. If you're missing out a major step, just that you know would secure the nails just so people can keep coming back to you and your business will keep coming. Duh, that makes fucking sense. It's scammy, but it makes sense.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It
Gets the people going.
But Jess know all the ins and outs. She do classes. If you're in North Carolina, period, and you thinking about doing nails, bitch, if you don't go to Jess, I don't know who you going to be honest. They put my sunroof on. that it's actually a homeless man sitting here looking at me. And I'm trying to look at the camera so that you don't see me not trying to look at him. I'm trying not to move my lips. My lips too big to not try to move. But yeah, I'm not giving no crackheads my money. I'm sorry. Cause this is the thing. I be offering to get food for the homeless people and they be like, nah, just give me. Nah, motherfucker. Or even one time we gave food to someone and it was 2 hot dogs and they was like, where my fries at? Bitch, are you dumb? I'll never give you food again. Talking about some goddamn fries. Bitch, I didn't even get no hot dogs and fries. You got a hot dog and fry. You better kiss my ass.
Worry about your own motherfucking business and go back to work, bitch.
This homeless man is staring at me at this light. So let me turn this camera off and I'm gonna get at y'all when I get in there. Hey guys. Hey Card. You know what I mean?
I'm with it. Put the shit.
But we can add like whatever you want to add. Double tip. That shit will be fire with the
Are you gonna do a stiletto?
I kind of want one nail, but how you feel about one nail like that? You don't like
it.
that, right? You told me that. So I kind of just want my square.
Okay.
And nobody can do that shit. I was like, even the most like bomb nail techs in North Carolina, yeah, it'd be good, but the shape be ass. I don't like the humpy nails. I really don't. So my good sis is about to double tip me and she's gonna lay the acrylic. She uses only acrylic, hence the name Krylx, and it is trademark, bitches. But she used only acrylics for her colors on her nails, which you'll see, and she's only gonna hand paint the snake that she's gonna do. So just keep watching. Ooh, it looks good as hell.
27 hearts beat.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You got it.
I'm scared as hell.
I ain't gonna watch you.
Okay. That might
Nervous.
Oh, bitch. Oh,
I
shit.
believe in you, friend. You got it.
Might have just did something.
Okay, bitch. I'm excited.
Tell, look at
Girl,
you.
stop doubting yourself.
Shit.
I just know what the character looked like, but what did she do? Laura Menon.
I think so. That's a hard question.
What did Medusa do? What was she known for? I know the snakes and shit, but what she do? Laura Menon.
Aphrodite was jealous of her because people felt that she was more beautiful than her.
Medusa was more beautiful?
Huh?
Medusa was more beautiful? Oh.
So to punish her, even when men look at her, they turn to stone.
Oh, wow. How do you know that?
It's Greek mythology.
You like that? I hate that shit. That's dope as hell. You knew that. These are the best nails I ever had.
Thank you.
Yo, and the black was doing it for me. I love the fucking black. I always do bright ass colors.
You know what the fuck going on?
Period.
Girl, she's like, I don't fuck with it. I said, bitch, you belong to the streets. Come on with your
Period. What are you talking about?
She belongs to the streets.
Matter of fact, yeah, you did think of the snake. I didn't think of the snake. You thought of the snake. I'm just like, fuck it, let's do it. And yes, we did it. Period.
What's our caption finna be?
Exactly. You want to talk about slime? What my nails remind me of? This shit
I
hard.
don't want to say something.
Right.
Right. Bitches be expecting it. Come on, Kari. With your smart ass.
Right.
Tell us some
Come
shit.
on. Damn, what should these be called?
I'm just gonna put the snack emoji.
Yo, like really, cause it's like self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Bitch, what will we say?
We're gonna put the snake with the.
I'm gonna try to get a bomb like kind of headshot for the with the nails included with my makeup thing. My ass is eating this food in my car because my neighbors is outside and I don't like to be seen. I know that's weird. But I don't like when people see which house I go into. None of that. But yeah. Bye y'all. Hope you like this vlog.